Hello future toppers, let's make maths simple, intuitive and fun together. So we got hold some new problem which says there are 5 white, so we have 5 white and 4 red balls. Okay, 3 balls are drawn at random one by one without replacement. Find the probability distribution for the number of white balls. Okay, so you have to find out the probability distribution table. Okay, so what I will do, just focus over here. Suppose that I'm talking to xi. First I will talk to I equals to 0, means the number of white ball will be 0. You know that you have to talk to white ball and you have to carry 3 balls. So it will start from 0 and it will go till 3. So I equals to 1. Then I equals to 2. I equals to 3. Okay, now we have pi, so probability of getting 0 white ball. Okay, now try to understand this thing. Till the time they haven't mentioned it is identical, you have to consider them to be different things. Okay, so suppose that I equals to 0, so p of 0 means your all balls are red, not white, and all together there are how many red balls? So 4. So out of 4 you have to carry 3, so it is 4c3 upon total number of balls is what? 9. 9c3. You have to simplify this thing, so we will be left with 4 factorial, then 3 factorial and 1 factorial. We have 9 factorial, 6 factorial, 3 factorial. Now you can play fruit ninja, this thing gone. We are left with 4, 3, 2, and I will neutralize that 6 factorial with 9 factorial. So it is 9, then we have 8, then we have 7, and then we have 6 factorial. So 6 factorial gone. So 4 2 times 8 gone, 3 3 times 9. So we are left with 1 by 21. Okay, so it is 1 by 21. So probability of getting 0 white ball is 1 by 21. Now we have to go with P1. So P1 means 1 white. 1 white means 1 white and 2 red. So 1 white means what? There are 5 balls, out of which you have to select 1. Then only you will have 1 white. And then out of 4 reds you have to carry 2 red. So 4C2. And then we have 9C3. Now simplify things. So it is 5 factorial. So 5 factorial, 5C1 will become 5. Okay, because 5 factorial on the numerator and then we have 4 factorial on the denominator. So it will neutralize that thing. So we have 4 factorial and then 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Then we have 9C3. So 9 factorial, 3 factorial, and then we have 6 factorial. So this thing gone, we are left with 3. Now I will simplify things. So we will be having 5, 4, 3, 2, and then we have additional 3. So for that 3 and 6 I will neutralize by using 9 factorial. Then we have 2 and then we have 9, 8, 7 and 6 factorial. 6 factorial will be neutralized. Now 4 2 times 8 gone, 3 3 times 9 gone. So we are left with 5 by 14. Okay, so it is 5 by 14. Now let's move on to the next thing, that is P2. P2 means what? Probability of having 2 white. So it is 5C2 and 4C1, then 9C3. Now simplify things. So 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 4C1 is 4, then we have 9 factorial, 6 factorial and 3 factorial. So this thing gone, this thing is simplified. Now you can simplify this 6 factorial with 9 factorial. We are left with 5, 4, 3, 2. This is 5 factorial, one more 2 because of this, and this 6 factorial I will be neutralizing using 9 factorial. We are left with 9, 8, 7 and then 6 factorial. So we have 8. So 4 2 time 8, 3 3 time. So we are left with 10 by 21. So we have 10 by 21 as the probability. Now let's move on to the next part. We have I equal to 3. I equal to 3 means what? All are white. So P3. So it is 5C3 and then we have 9C3. So 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial and then 9 factorial, 6 factorial, 3 factorial. So 3 3 gone. Now you can simplify things. So 5, 4, 3, 2 and 6 factorial I will be neutralizing using 9. Then we have 9, 8, 7. 6 factorial gone. So 4 2 time 8, 3 3 time gone. We are left with 5 by 42. So we have 5 by 42. So this is the probability distribution table. Okay. Now if you want to simplify things, you can make denominator of everything to be same by taking LCM. Okay. Why I am telling you this? Because later they can ask you to find out mean, median, mode. So you know that LCM would be 42. So you can multiply this and this by 2 and 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Now it will become easy to manipulate those questions. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.